This is a behind the scenes EMA Mortgage podcast. We cover the local GTA West, Southwest Ontario markets. We will highlight real life experiences of clients, partners, and experts. I am your host, Raymond Daez. Our goal with this podcast is to share information that relates to customers' home buying experiences. We will provide information and insights to mortgage related contents. Welcome Canada, welcome GTA West, Southwest Ontario. That's you Milton, Mississauga, Georgetown, Guelph, Cambridge, Kitchener, Burlington, Hamilton, Ancaster, and Toronto. If I buy a house today, can I still get a mortgage during the pandemic? So, I started off taping yesterday for videos and podcast content. I thought I was killing it. Woke up early, got my workout in, got some sweat there, got my first coffee, took a shower, on the way to work, stopped by Starbucks for my second coffee, and then got into my office, actually for the first time after a few months. Thought, yep, every single time I'm recording it, taping it. Went for lunch, went to a local place. You should check it out. It's Layla's on Financial Drive. Great food and great family too. So I thought throughout the day I was recording it, killing it, and then you look it over, and then you start editing it, and then you realize, man, it wasn't as great on video as I thought. My day was all phone calls and emails, and even though the conversations were great, which I wasn't taping, I thought I was killing it. I thought it would be so interesting. Once I edit it, you guys get to realize how exciting mortgage, market and how great it is being a mortgage agent. But unfortunately, it doesn't translate on video. A couple of news highlights. First one is home prices in Toronto are up. Definitely see that. We see a lot of over asking lately and multiple offers. Open houses resume with restrictions for the real estate market. So I believe in most of the GTA, stage 3 of opening is happening on Friday. Low mortgage rate environment might last 2 to 3 years. Torontonians are fleeing the city for cheaper homes, more green space, and a balanced life. I'm definitely seeing that for the first time. Last week, I had to figure out where Halliburton is. So Halliburton, Barrie, Collingwood, Innisfil, Guelph, Waterloo, Cambridge, Belleville. Those are some of the areas that were highlighted. Before I finish this intro, a quick shout out to my two biggest fans, Noah and Sophia, my nephew and my niece. They watch and listen to all the contents I send out there. If I buy a house today, can I still get a mortgage during the pandemic? The simple answer is yes. More clients have approached us in the last couple of weeks to get a mortgage pre-approval or mortgage pre-qualification. We always start with the home ownership goal as either a primary residence or buying a rental property. We then move to your current income and expenses. Are you employed or business for self? We discuss the ratios. How much down payment do you have? You will ask me about mortgage rates. Should I go fixed or variable rate? Sometimes you have a property in mind. Sometimes you have a realtor. Sometimes you don't. The big question you have right now, given the current times, is will I get home financing if I buy a house right now? I will make sure we qualify your credit history. You will show me the incomes and down payment confirmation up front, so we don't have any surprises in the end. How secure is your current employment? Are you part of essential services? Do you have your regular income during the pandemic? If you know that your income is secure, then yes, you can get a mortgage for your current purchase right now. If you're not working right now or your business is not operating and we need your current regular income to qualify, then you may have to wait until your income is back. As we see more businesses open, we could potentially see more activity in the mortgage and real estate markets. It is more important now that you reach out to our team of expert mortgage agents before you buy. You will get the advice on the 60 plus lenders we have access to. Thank you.